Hello. Welcome to Someday Farm. I'm Stephen Watson here with today's Tàijíquán Tip. Yesterday I had the wonderful pleasure of being hosted at a fantastic martial arts studio with some great human beings, great people, great artists who I care for and respect. And afterwards we had dinner and I asked them about, what's the story about your beginning in the martial arts? How did you start? What brought you to it? And they each had, the two of them, had different reasons, right? Varied, personal, sincere, heartfelt, well remembered, meaningful. And it was a nice opportunity to connect, but also kind of get to know them. And so I've been kind of using, that's today's Tàijíquán tip, but what I've been doing is practicing my Tai Chi Chuan and musing on, mulling over, considering, contemplating those reasons for having begun, which are different than mine. Not better, not worse, but their decisions brought them into a world in which I was going to be able to meet them and become colleagues and friends and so forth. And that's important to me. But, I'm also been doing this in a sort of micro manner. So as I'm practicing and I do a move, I'm asking myself, why am I going to begin, this next move? And there's obviously low hanging fruit reasons like, hey, well, of course, the next move is what's next. It's move two. You just did move one. So that's easy reason to do the next move because it's supposed to be next. Maybe it's habitual, but I'm kind of considering it in a different, more important way to me just now. Why does this begin? This art, this practice session, this move, this career. So perhaps you'll find that meaningful. I certainly dig it, and ask your teachers how they began. Get to know. Thank you. Love.
Thanks for showing your support for today's Tàijíquán tip. Tips really go a long way, and if you can't afford to help financially, comment, subscribe, share, and like, and all that stuff. To be in touch with me, go to my Linktree, Someday Farm. Thank you.